Welcome back, guys, to another episode of What the Heck is Jazz Cooking Today, also known as NewBQ. So anyway, today we are cooking something I've never cooked before, which, like I said on the last video, if you watched the last video, I seem to say that all the time. Today we're cooking a beef sirloin tip, like a whole sirloin tip. I really don't know what the heck I'm doing. I did a little bit of research about it. It's apparently a little tougher piece of meat, so it's kind of like a brisket in that sense, like how it's a little more tougher, but I don't know. I don't really know about it. It kind of looks like just like a glob of meat. Here, look. Just a glob of meat. So I'm going to do some trimming because I want to take some of this stuff off and some of this nasty stuff off the top of it. But I don't know what I got myself into on this one. Wife found this at Sam's Club, said, here, try this. Yeah, what the heck. Why not? I am going to season it just like a brisket as well. I'm going to use my special secret sauce, or secret seasoning. Let's say that right. Anyway, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to trim it real quick, season it up, and we're going to stick it on the old Smoky Boy over here, the Oklahoma Joe Smoky Boy. Well, I guess it doesn't make sense because I got two of those. We're going to do my wood smoker, my stick burner, as you will. That one, my offset. That's the word I was looking for, the offset. Also, I don't know what you guys have a problem with this thing. I've seen some people have made comments about a pellet grill. Essentially it's the same thing. Your wood is just in pellet form, and you cook. It has fire and smoke. The only difference is this controls your heat. This doesn't. I don't know. I was on your guys' side before, like this is the way you're supposed to do it. But then I got one of these and I'm like, really, it's the same thing. I do like this better, but this is kind of the same thing. It just controls it better. I don't know. Anyway, teach their own, I guess. At this point, I really don't care. I don't use this as much because it is harder to use. Not only say harder to use, but it takes more attention to do this. You have to pay more attention to this than you do with that one. So whatever. Anyway, we're gonna use that one today. Okay, once again, there she be, all seasoned up. Look at that. It's my special little seasoning I got going on here. We're gonna go ahead and get her on the smoker. Alright guys, we are sitting about, let's see, 275, 300. We've been sitting about 300, but which is fine. I kind of want to cook it a little faster because I got out here kind of late today. About 97 degrees internal temp. I'm debating on what temperature to pull it at. I've seen some place where people are pulling them at 145, having that nice pink center, whatever. But I want to cook it more like a brisket, so I'm thinking about going a little farther with it. I'm thinking like a 165, maybe like a done on the inside. I don't know. I'm trying something different. I've seen people do this a couple different ways, so I'm really worried about if I want to go a little farther, if it's going to ruin it, or if I go not far enough, maybe it won't be right either. I don't really know. I'm not really trying to do like a prime rib kind of thing, but I'm really trying to do just like a brisket more or less, but I don't know. I'm debating, so we'll see what I decide once I get to that point. All right, it's dark now. Look at that pretty sunset. Wish I had a better shot for you, but I really don't. Anyway, Jackson's out here. Say hi, Jackson. Hi. And we're gonna go ahead and pull this sucker off. Now I didn't quite go. I just decided I was gonna go to 165, but I changed my mind, so we're not gonna go any farther. We're gonna pull it off. It's 150-ish degrees. I wanted to go that far because I wanted. This is gonna be what my wife's gonna eat. My wife's gonna eat this sucker all week for lunch. So I'm actually making this for her, and she's a communist. She likes her steaks well done. So anyway, look at her. We're gonna go ahead and pull it off. We're gonna cut into her and give her a taste. Ooh-wee. All right, we're gonna slice into this bad boy. I don't know, what do you think? Just slicing right here in the middle? Just slice right here. Woo-wee! All right, let's give her a taste. We're just gonna cut a little piece off. Look at this. Here you go. Good piece. Got some good bark on it. Looks like a good piece, right? Give her a shot. Give her a try here. Oh, that's pretty good. It tastes just like brisket. That's phenomenal. All right, well, it's dark. I'm gonna slice this sucker up. I'm gonna package it all up for my wife. So anyway, we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, NewbieQ at NewbieQ2020. Instagram and NewbieQ, Instagram and Facebook at NewbieQ2020. Also, I got TikTok, NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. And we'll see you guys next week on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.